Hello there, what's your name?
Miss Pierce.
Miss Pierce. Everyone say, kia ora, Miss Pierce.
Kia ora, Miss Pierce.
And who have you got by you, Sheree?
And who are you?
Hi, I'm Mr. M.
Mr. M.
Mr. M, was it? Wow, fantastic. Mr. M versus Miss Pierce.
Oh.
Did I miss something? Okay, this is what they have to do. All they have to do to take home this pass is dance for 30 seconds. Is Miss Pierce a cool dancer? When she comes into class, does she dance? What about Mr. M? Is he a cool dancer? All right, we're about to see who is the coolest out of the two. So, who should start? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Inky, pinky, ponky, daddy caught a donkey. Donkey died, daddy cried. Inky, pinky, ponky. Oh, Miss Pierce. Here we go. Now, there's a little tune that will assist her in breaking out into her moves. All right? Here it goes. 30 seconds. Blast that track. Go.
Clap along.
Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break.
Clapping, everybody.
Balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Thank you, Miss Pierce. All right. I forgot to ask you, what school are you representing?
Breen's Intermediate.
Breen's Intermediate. All right. Mr. M, which school are you from?
I'm from Breen's Intermediate School.
Brains.
Okay. Hence all the screaming. All right. Are you ready, Mr. M? You got 30 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Give him a big round of applause, Mr. M.
Can't none bring me down.
Oh, he wants to keep dancing.
Whoa.
All right. It's decision time. That is up to you to choose a winner. Give it up if you think it's Miss Pierce. Give it up if you think it's Mr. M. Mr. M is the winner. And Miss Pierce, we've got a CD for you as well. Congratulations. A big round of applause. Didn't they do well?
High five.
Thank you.
Very
The wonderful
entertaining.
thing about that is that they just thought they were bringing the kids to the stadium, sitting down, making sure they're nice and quiet. Shh. And the other brilliant thing about that is that it was filmed and going live to the world on YouTube.
Very good.
Wonder how many hits it will get.